ilalagay yung food ko eh. Dun sa gilid.
Tapos yung ay, ito yung ano na yun, mga kasama ng family.
Bilang ba yan? Video natin sa akala namin kaping mainit.
Sorry, ako lang nakakuha.
For the 40 years of memories. Partner.
Yes, one heart po ang ating team.
And today, we celebrate not just our union, but your faithfulness that has carried us through the past 40 years. Lord, we thank you for the friendships that have stood the test of time, for the lessons learned, and for the lives we have touched along the way. We also remember our classmates who are no longer with us. May their souls rest in
Special ang pagkakataong ito kasi 40 years, no? Umabot tayo ng 40 years. Oo. May 41 pa, 42 at 61. Hanggang 101.
May takal na ito. Sa kagat na ha. First to, earliest to send.
Team Marquez.
Meron pa isa.
Glory be, sorry.
Glory Bit. Nasa EasyText pa daw.
Text ko.
Pinag-reach Echo.
Copy. For award.
Okay, mamaya.
Given.
Ano award? Oo, dapat natin pasalamatan to. Kasi kundi dahil dito sa ating kapatid na kundi dahil sa kanya, wala po tayong get together na ganitong kasaya. Diba?
Thank you for the support.
Oo.
Your kindness and support made this journey possible. Thank you, Miss Jen.
Maraming
Palakpakan po natin si Miss Jen.
Palakpakan natin.
In recognition of her unwavering support, inspiring guidance, your dedication, kindness, and generosity of spirit are deeply valued and sincere offer, presented with gratitude and respect. Pero siya po talaga yung nag-sign dito. Siya na wala. Na-send niya po sa amin ang kanyang signature. Ang nakakalungkot po, ngayon din po ang dating niya. Ang tangkay niya po, Malaysia. Thank you for this appreciation. I truly appreciate it. And it's very unexpected that black from Batch 85. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sampung part. Dito na po sa ilalim. Tara. Ang swerteng mananalo ng overnight stay, Apple iPad, Alan! Congratulations! 1 terabyte Apple iPad. Alan ito. Ay, para solo ito. Pangalawa si Connie Cabarles. Ronald Pastrana. Oh wait. Picture. Okay, may pag...
Yan ang pogi mo. Crush lang naman.
Oh, mag-ready na kayo. May premyo mamaya. San Francisco to eh. Bakit iba ba dito niya? Tugilya.
Jennifer Manalo.
And...
Aching for the memories of home and laughter and cheers. Not to mention the laughter of fears, the high connection we gave to our peace. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other.
Mga taga Pegasus na nagsayaw sa atin, nagpasaya sa atin. Ngayon naman mga taga Adonis, ma'am. Tingnan natin, ano, kung talagang Adonis nga ang mga ano. Sige. So, ang ultimate spinach.
Ang kasiyahan, ang tunay na pagmamahalan ay mararamdaman. Nalunod ko nagsasayawan. Awitin bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Suyaw-suyaw ka sa indak na
kasi isang bakal ito.
And then we have the Casio keyboard. Ito with free learning from the school of Mr. Manny Enriquez. Thank you, Sir Manny, for this organ. Pwede ba yung lang organ naman sa
Our fourth prize. Nanalo ng desk fan from Roma.
Yes. Walang tagtawa lang, rolling, please.
Eh, kailangan blue. Isa siyang babae. Meron siyang dalawang. Ang pangalan ng start sa letter J. At meron din siyang letter I. Ano yung meron yun? Ang apelido ay merong letter T. Let's start sa letter A. Bingo. Joby Arabit.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Count your blessings tonight. Wow, what a night. Who would have thought that after 40 years, we'd still be here, laughing, reminiscing, and feeling like time never really passed.
Louder! I can't hear you! Louder!